Welcome to the channel Easy Geography. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. This video includes the questions from the topic Greek contribution, the unit geographical thought. Previous questions from different exams are also included. Let's go to the questions. First one, match the following wind names with its direction described by Homer. Homer identified four types of wind as four directions, and the wind names are Boreas, Eurus, Notus, and Cyprus. The direction north, east, south, and west. Answer is option B. It's in the correct order. Boreas. In the north, it is known as the wind name is Boreas. East, Eurus. It is known as Notus in south. Cyprus in west. Homer was a Greek poet who wrote Iliad and Odyssey. Iliad and Odyssey written by Homer, and he believed Earth to be a circular surrounded on all sides by ocean river. Question. Among the Greek scholar who was the first to initiate the measurement of Earth and tried to locate things on the face of Earth. The Greek scholar who was first to initiate measurement of Earth. Options: Homer, Eratosthenes, Thales of Miletus, Hipparchus. Answer is option C, Thales of Miletus. Thales of Miletus was the first to initiate measurement of Earth. He developed several basic theorems of geometry. Thales and Anaximander are known as the founders of mathematical geography. He visualized Earth as a disk floating in water. Next question. The instrument gnomon was firstly used by. Gnomon introduced by. Options: Anaximander, Eratosthenes, Herodotus, and Hipparchus. Answer: Anaximander. This instrument is like a sundial and was used to measure the length and direction of shadow of a vertical pole. And he was the first geographer that prepared a world map to scale. Anaximander prepared a world map to scale. He is known as the father of geography. Options: Herodotus, Homer, Eratosthenes, Hecataeus. Hecataeus was known as the father of geography. Hecataeus wrote the first systematic description of Earth, Hesperidos. Hesperidos book written by Hecataeus, and it was the first systematic description of Earth. He described geography of the world into two parts there, Europe and Libya. Libya include Africa and Asia. Next one, history must be treated geographically and geography must be treated historically are the words of Herodotus, Hipparchus, Hecataeus, Aristotle. Answer: Herodotus. Herodotus drew meridians passing through Nile and Danube, and he was the first to declare Caspian Sea as inland sea. And he mentioned that there are 5 oases in Sahara Desert. The important one is who was the first to declare Caspian Sea as an inland sea. It was Herodotus. Next question. The first geographer who measured the length of equator accurately. First geographer who measured length of equator accurately. Options: Anaximander, Ptolemy, Eratosthenes, Hecataeus. Answer: Eratosthenes. The term geography was firstly used by Eratosthenes, and he believed in spherical shape of the earth and that celestial bodies revolved around the earth. He said there are 3 continents, Europe, Asia and Libya. And also he said there are 5 climatic zones, 1 in torrid zone and 2 temperate, 2 frigid zones. The occurrence of equinoxes was firstly explained by. Occurrence of equinoxes. Options: Eratosthenes, Herodotus, Hipparchus, Anaximander. Occurrence of equinoxes was done by Hipparchus. First to delimit place by latitude and longitude, and he divided the world into climatic zone based on latitudes, and he was the first to divide circle into 360 degree, and he said equator is the greatest circle and meridians converge at the poles, and the orthographic and stereographic projections are also devised by him. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.